Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the BUFFZIT High Gloss Tire Shine Paste. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the little bag open, we'll see our tire shine stuff, which I'll show you in a second. It looks like we've got a nice little cleaning cloth and kind of a styrofoam and way to rub this onto the tires. So it doesn't look like there's any instructions, so I will walk you through kind of the exact process here. But before we do that, let's kind of show you what this looks like. It's like a goo, so just be aware how it looks. I'll put this back on until we're ready to go out. As you can see, it will get messy quickly if you're not careful. So just be very, very careful with how you kind of operate this. So we'll go ahead and use it on the tire, I should say, and go from there. And again, already I've got some on my my fingers. So just be aware, especially when you're wearing, light colored clothing or whatever, how this kind of stuff works. All right, so what we're going to do is just dab a little bit on the edge there and apply it to the tire, and then we're just going to kind of rub it in. All right. And try to get all the stuff off the edges because you may see that it drops in a little bit. You may want to wear some glasses or some gloves for this. We're just going to show you kind of the start of this, and then we're going to let it dry out. But note, like just doing this, it's getting all over the place, so just be aware of kind of how you need to do this and kind of how it's going to just get all over the place. But it does look great comparatively, so I'm just going to let it dry a little. And then we're going to try and rinse off some other spaces on the rim and go from there. All right, so I won't be able to give you kind of the before after that you get on TV or anything like that, but I can show you that it is a nice, dark, clean compared to kind of here where it's going to be a little bit grayer and stuff, and you can kind of see where it kicks in. But it looks great. It does clean off the rims pretty easily. The one challenge here for sure is my hands. I don't know if you can see the tint. It does get on your hands, so you definitely want to wear some gloves. But overall, it looks great and definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.